Welcome to our kitchen upgrade guide, featuring the BLANCO 443,100 Diamond Silgranit double bowl sink in volcano gray. This 33 by 22 inch sink is made from patented Silgranit material, which resists heat, scratches, stains, chips, and impact. Its Hygienic+ Surface Technology creates a protective shield against liquids and dirt, keeping your sink cleaner for longer. You can install it either as a drop-in or undermount, with installation clips included for easy setup. The sink comes pre-drilled for a single-hole faucet and includes 4 additional knockout holes for accessories. Please note that the basket strainer is sold separately. This sink combines durability, functionality, and sleek design for any modern kitchen. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.